We give some food for the dog outside, the stray dog, because they are hungry. Wala naman lag. Asa naman to? Come on! Tara! Come on! Come on, come on, come on! Hello! Oh yeah, come, come! Come, Super! Come! You eat that! We have no rice. You should eat this. Come on. You eat that. We have no rice. Later, I give you rice when I cook rice. This time, we have no rice. We'll cook later, okay? Eat. You should eat that. They don't like dog food. They want rice. No, no, no. I have no rice this time. Later, I cook rice. Ah. Okay, you must eat. Luoy lang na. Luoy lang na. Bataan na. Oo, this is a stray dog from our Filipino neighbors. Dali, dali yun. Eat that. Eat. Come on, eat. No. She don't like dog food. Come on. Kira? Why are you flying away? Ah, they don't eat. What? No, you can't no go out. Must not go out. She will eat that if she gets hungry. Love, no? No, Kiara gani eat dog food, no? You love dog food? The dog outside don't like dog food long. Don't like dog food. Kiara here? Uy. Uy. Come on. Where is it? Where's the dog? Doggy, my friend. You must eat dog food, Doggy, my friend. Doggy, my friend. Doggy, my friend. Kapit na mo. Ma-dark bee.